Hello everyone. Welcome once again to our channel. See Bish sitting near me today. First of all, we want to thank everyone for subscribing. It makes me feel so nice. Everyone is watching me. So today I'll be making spaghetti. Bisham want to eat spaghetti.
Everyone is watching you or watching what you're cooking.
And I'll be
What the?
I'll be working this week, so I'm cooking ahead of time and I'm gonna freeze my spaghetti with the pasta. So I'll show you guys how to do it.
You're making takeaway.
Yes, we'll freeze some and put that in the fridge. Anjali likes spaghetti. My daughter loves spaghetti. So she'll be taking some to work. And I'm sure I'm gonna give Bisham to take some to work too.
Yeah, I like frozen food. Yeah. I like it fresh, and then after that it's okay.
Yes, guys, so it's a good recipe. Keep watching and keep subscribing. And we love you all. Keep subscribing. I love it when you guys watch and comment. So I'll start cooking.
Oh yes, somebody want mommy to come.
When you tell mommy to come, mommy not at the house none time.
We have to make appointments with my mom to
You
come.
can't get mommy to come. Marilla not there. Marilla more busy than young people.
She's volunteering with Peel Region and helping with
She's always busy where she live there.
lots of stuff with the old folks. Although they're 80 years old, they're helping with the old folks. Yeah.
Yes.
And then temple on weekends and everything. So she said she need 2 weeks notice.
So she can be here to sit here and eat some food I cook. I usually call him now and again. But she comes and help me sometimes. Pagwa time and thing to cook one time and it's nice. Maybe we'll do something this year. She'll help me cook some bara and thing.
And it's Pagwa.
And Pulawi March next month. So I'm gonna make sure I get some time off for Pagwa, so she can help me cook some bara and pulawi and goja. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so time to start cooking.
What are you cooking today?
Spaghetti with ground chicken, lean ground chicken. Hello again, guys. These are my ingredients to make my spaghetti. This is my lean ground chicken. It's 2 pounds. And I'm gonna add mushroom. Mushroom is optional. If you want, you don't have to put mushroom. This is a lot of tomatoes, diced.
Pasta sauce.
Those are my pasta sauce, and this one too. I usually use this one with a little bit of cheese at the end with these two. It makes it taste better and thicker. This is my pepper, wiri pepper, garlic, lots of garlic, salt, oil, garlic powder, oregano, and I have here some Cassareep.
What do you do with Cassareep?
Because this is ground chicken. It's not ground beef. Usually when you fry up the meat, the ground beef will turn brown, but the chicken stays white. So I don't fry it too much. I add some of this Cassareep to make it nice and golden.
Oh, appetizing.
Very appetizing. Then I'll add my sauce.
And you forget the onion.
Oh yeah, that's the main thing, onion and
Half a bag of onion.
And this is the pasta I'll be using. I like to use this one, it's whole wheat. I'll boil this one side. I'll show you how I do it. It's really good. Catelli. Okay, time to start cooking. Time to add the karahi. I have my
Heat up.
big karahi out today. This way nothing will go all over the stove. I'm cooking a lot of spaghetti, so I like to use the big karahi. The big boy.
The big boy out.
Mhm.
Okay.
So my oil hot.
Your
I'm gonna
oil.
just
Curry.
my karahi hot, so I'm gonna put the oil right away.
This way you don't burn the oil.
Mhm.
Keep it healthy.
You see, I don't burn the oil, the karahi hot. So on the karahi hot, you just put the onion in right away. Saute the onion a little bit with some salt. I'm just putting a little bit salt now. Then when I put the chicken, I'll add some more. I'm using my wooden spoon today. It's better. Let that simmer a little bit.
You know, then.
We don't know if it says something.
Ask mommy now. Hey, mom?
Mom? He said, "What kache? You start this kache problem." See? Nice onion. It smells so nice. Fry onion. Time to throw all the meat.
Who is B from Edmonton? I think it's BB.
B from Edmonton, your BB? We got to get B should cook some food. He like hold a camera to watch. And I make too much comment. Keep watching, Beeb.
B.
See all my chicken.
You're right, you're turning right.
Chicken look nice. Fresh chicken. This is fresh chicken. So everyone, you can also use frozen chicken. All you got to do is take it out from the freezer and leave it maybe in the fridge a day ahead.
Yeah, I used to buy it when it's on sale and
Overnight?
when we freeze it. But this
You
one was
can-
fresh.
This one nice, it's fresh. I like to use the fresh one.
I'm frugal, you know.
I'm adding some more salt and some garlic powder. Let it fry a little bit.
I think that pasta sauce has roasted garlic and basil, right?
Oh yes.
Roasted garlic and
You
basil.
can use any kind of pasta sauce.
Okay.
But
Why are you hitting the cover?
see, it's sizzling.
What's that?
You have to fry up the meat. I don't like the meat stay lumpy. You got to keep frying it, turning and do it like this. So it stay nice and loose.
Separated.
Loose. See that?
I like the chunky onions in it. Chunky and chunky garlics.
It will cook nice. guys, this is the easiest thing to cook. During the week even you can cook it. It's fast. See, the chicken is cooked already. It's all that water burn out already. Rank water. And it's loose. So now you can fry up a little bit.
So you keep chopping it until it's loose?
Yes, you gotta keep doing this so you don't get too much lump. It's better not to have any lump on it because it will stay like that. See? So now I'm gonna go in and add some of my garlic. I don't put all at once. I just put half of it. I don't want my garlic to burn.
And just flavor the chicken and then you'll leave the rest to flavor the
Let it cook
sauce.
a little. Let the garlic cook a little with the little bit moisture in here. Time to check my meat. See? It's sizzling. I'm gonna add some of my oregano on the meat now and some in the sauce later.
Flavor the meat.
Flavor up the meat. It smells really good right now. I feel like eating it now. Smell it. And this is canned mushroom. It's optional, but I love to eat it. It tastes so good. It makes the meat taste so nice to give it a different flavor. I like to cook it with the meat
It's like two
a little bit. It's already cooked in the can, but I put 2 cans of it. It tastes so good with the meat. And the spaghetti, when you eat it, if you put some cheese before you eat it, and you got the mushroom, you can even put vegetable like broccoli and stuff. See how nice it looks? See, I don't put too much oil. It's cooking with its own water. And the mushroom lose some water too. Looking good. Look at that. Try to get all the lump out. See, the chicken is really light color. So I'm gonna put a little bit Cassareep.
Good.
See, I want you to see, you guys to see what I'm doing.
Should be enough. You don't put out.
We'll see if that's enough.
So this generally give it some color.
The meat.
Chatiana. Oh. So what you're saying is when you guys used to cook it with the beef, it turned naturally brown?
Naturally brown, because it's red meat.
Oh.
So if you have all red meat, it will turn nice and golden brown. And it's a different taste too. If you love beef, it's really good to do with it. But this is really healthy, what I'm doing here. It's lean ground chicken. You get fat and things, so the beef will lose a lot of more fat on it. You don't have to put much oil. But the chicken, you have to put oil.
There's
Fry it up a little bit like this.
There's turkey too, the ground turkey.
You can do it with ground turkey, ground chicken. If you're watching your health, this is very healthy.
Maybe one day we should try it with lamb.
Yeah, you can do it. So you know what?
I don't know how it'll taste though.
Another thing is, if you want to make patties, you do the same chicken this way. You can add a lot more spices. You can even put bell peppers and so. Cook it and let it cool off, and then you make your pastry. You put it in. You make your patties and bake it.
So when are you gonna do
have
that?
it, you can have it. Oh, I will. I will soon. You see how this is? You just dry it up a little bit, and you're done. You can fill it. Do your filling with your patties. Now I'm adding my tomatoes. Our tomatoes.
Tomati, girl.
So I want my tomatoes to cook little bit, so it will stay lumpy in the spaghetti.
Chunky.
It's nice and
Lumpy.
chunky. I'm adding my pepper one time because I didn't add it earlier because I don't want the pepper to burn and burn my eyes and burn smell the whole house with pepper. See this? See the heat on the meat? It will cook the tomato quick. Nice. Look. Beautiful. Nice. Done it.
Good smell.
You want to eat it? Look at that. So, you let it cook.
For 2 minutes or so?
Yeah, this is quick cooking. You see this one color is a little lighter. You get the cheese inside. This one I'll put
I
later.
want to taste it.
Last.
Oh yeah. Can taste it.
When you put this one in, 1 minute, you take them off. Because you get the cheese, you know, and the cheese done clumpy. I like this. Yeah, the 3 cheese one is good too. Let's see the tomato cook.
Okay. Using its oil.
See, it's soft. Look, the tomato soft. It cooked down. So now I'm gonna add my spag. You know, pitch. What do you do?
Starting to look good.
Feels good. Look at it. See that? A little lumpy.
And with tomato sauce, the more you cook it, the more tasty it is. Here.
See, I washed the bottle. Get all the sauce in it. That's all the water I'm putting right now.
Every bit count, eh? You're frugal.
I'm gonna add my garlic, my oregano, the rest of it. The rest of the garlic. Let it boil slowly. Leave it to boil boil.
Come to a boil?
Yes, I'm gonna put my pasta on.
Okay.
Time to check. You got to let this simmer slowly
Bring it to boil.
because you pitch. I want the pitch.
Yes, plata. So you got to dress. Pitch on me. Foot.
Press.
I have to be around.
So it's cooking slowly. Let it cook.
Let it simmer for like
All the garlic and everything
5
coming
minutes.
together.
After it comes to a boil, it simmer for 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And what's in there?
So I got my water ready to boil my pasta. Bring it to a boil.
Do you boil your pasta with salt?
Yes.
Okay.
You can follow the direction on the pack too.
Yeah.
So I usually let it boil a little longer than al dente. I like it a little softer.
And I like it more soft.
So we're going to boil this. Ignore the timing on that one and boil it to my liking. That's what you can do too. You can boil it how much you want. If you like it al dente, a little bit firm, you follow the package recipe. If not, boil it how long you want.
How do I like it? So I can eat it with a straw. Soft.
You never be that soft. Be the one them so soft.
I like it like that soft. So I can.
What you want? We pass and throw a blender?
Not yet. Another 5 year or 10 year.
You get teeth. Chew.
Maybe in 10 years time we'll blend it.
So guys,
Tomorrow.
you can use other kind of pasta. The long one, the twist one. This one a twist. There's the long smooth one. There's different kinds.
That's spaghetti. This is rotonini. Then you get panini, which is like a tube. And then you get the curly one. The big
Let's
curly
stir. Time to stir. I have to stir it. You have to stir it often, every 2 minutes or so. So you don't catch at the bottom. So you need to do the stove really slow.
It's nice. Look good. I think it's probably done there.
Another thing is you need to you can use this same sauce when I'm done with it. Like when you do your meat and finish, you can use it to make if you make a lot, to make lasagna.
We'll use this sauce as the base.
This is the best. You get
The
meat
base
and you get
for
everything.
Yeah.
You use it to make the lasagna and you add your cheese and you can add spinach to your lasagna and lots of ricotta cheese and so lay it out. That's what I do when I have too much sauce.
So you're gonna do some today?
No, another day. Wow, left over later on. Another time.
Okay.
It's just a suggestion. You can do this and make your lasagna if you have people over. You make this ahead of time,
Okay.
and then you can make your lasagna in the oven. And to check. That should be good now.
Simmering slowly.
See guys, now I'm going to add my pasta with the cheese. Thick and zesty Romano cheese with basil. So this one, I'm not adding any more water to this pasta, this sauce. It has cheese, I don't want it to cook more. I want it to finish quick in 2 minutes. Let's come to a boil. Boil it a little bit. No washing of this one. This can I don't wash. I just get all the cheese and so in it. the bottom there have the cheese too. See?
You know, this pasta sauce,
It's really good.
if you just boil this pasta sauce, cook it a little bit, it tastes so good with bread, white bread. You can put it on the bread and put cheese and bake it.
Yeah. This sauce, you can also eat it with nice bread. That's what Anjali will carry out tomorrow. He doing nice. He already baked bread yesterday. Bring it back to a boil. So see, it's sizzling. It's done.
So you don't want to boil this too much after you add
No,
the cheese sauce.
the cheese, that sauce has cheese. I want it to stay like that.
You bring it to a
See?
boil when you turn the stove
It's
off.
really good. Look at it. Turn the stove off.
That's done. Is that boiling over there? Ooh.
I'm gonna add some salt.
Oof.
You have to put salt,
Yeah.
and it tastes better.
So this one you boil it to how you like it. As soft as you like.
Usually, when you bring it to a boil, for me, I usually do it at least 15 minutes. It's soft enough in 15 minutes. But some people like it a little bit hard. You can take it off 12 minutes.
That's done to your liking.
Yes. Taste it. Try it. See if it's hot. If it's soft enough.
It's bouncy.
Nice and soft.
Okay.
That's how I like it. So I'm going to strain it. Take off my stove.
Yeah.
Close it. You see how loose this is? Look. This is whole wheat.
It doesn't stick together.
It don't never stick together. You don't have to use any oil or any butter on it. But if you use the white pasta, you will have to put something on it, either olive oil or butter. Let it melt on it so it don't stick. But this will never stick together. It's nice whole wheat twisted pasta. It's really good.
Time to eat?
Yes.
Is that a takeout dish?
Yes.
I think that dish is too small for you.
No, this pasta is heavy. It's whole wheat. When you add all the sauce, it turns a whole dish.
It's okay.
I like a lot of sauce.
You don't have to stifle your conscience in front of the camera. You know?
So this,
Put enough.
you will see how much enough. Seal that and it's good. I'm taking one out for me and one for Anjali to take to work tomorrow.
And mine?
And you can even take it out the same way and freeze it. And leave it forever in the freezer how long you want.
So where is mine? All of this?
It's a lot there. Yes. You don't want. You want your bora curry, fried bora. I fried bora yesterday. Bishan will carry fried bora and aloo and rice.
That's the best. Fried bora and rice.
The fried bora was good.
I'm a coolie boy, you know.
Look, Look at this. Look at my pepper.
Oh, you stick some pepper here to cook. Just knock that one on us.
Give me the one. See this one, I'm gonna put it on my pasta. But I can't put any on Anjali's. And make it nice. Anjali don't like pepper. Why yes, Lord?
You got to go to the little notch. There's a notch on the scissors.
Yeah, that's good enough. You have to make sure a little bit more small or else. See, a mash up.
That's okay.
Damn, you gonna enjoy your walk tomorrow.
I wouldn't be there to bring you the ice water.
Me go enjoy. I have to go around a little bit first. Watch. You watch. Watch how much this is on.
You mix them.
When we go walk, then girl go say so much food you. You get one bowl pasta, that me go eat them whole week. Gonna be like a sauce. See this sauce?
It do turn out to be a lot.
Look, the sauce, nice sauce. Okay.
Careful, don't put the pepper in, Anjali.
Anjali like when they take out the food. They just take them and go.
Everybody like when the mother take out this stuff.
And she like the garlic and the mushroom. She love mushroom and garlic. See, she make her bread. She usually put garlic on it. I have to show you her bread.
Cheese look thin.
Yeah, you know, buy more shredded cheese. But me get a lot of cheese in the fridge, they make them great.
That's it, too much cheese.
That's good though. Until we can add more if she wants more. Let it cool off. Here.
Then you can add your... Oh.
So now, I'm going to take out some food for me to taste. I'm going to do the taste test. Just a little bit, and then Bisham can finish them. You go finish them?
And if it doesn't taste the way you like it, you're gonna... What are you gonna do with those that you pack out? I'm joking, I'm joking.
I know it will taste good because I made this before lots of times, many times.
So yummy. What's that? One pepper?
Yes.
I don't know why you guys like pepper
See
so
the
much.
mushroom. So guys, time for the taste test. Time to eat my spug with my pepper. Look how beautiful it is. I have my broccoli, steamed broccoli, carrot, my pasta, my spaghetti sauce I just cooked. It's really good. Let me see. Wow.
Is it good?
I'm gonna try it with the bread. Anjali made this bread yesterday. She did it all by herself. It'll go good with the pasta sauce too. It's focaccia bread.
It's a garlic.
Yes, they have pesto and oregano and garlic. It's really good. Mmm. So everyone, try the recipe. And if you like our content, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. It's very much appreciated. And I want to thank you all for watching. And thank you all for subscribing, everyone who already subscribed. And keep watching. It's a lot of good recipes.
I'm gonna try this one.
Try it.
The sauce and the bread.
Try it with it.
I know it's gonna taste good. So,
You want me to give you a piece? Okay, guys. Bye. Keep watching.